hurt them and put them up back. The amount of blood clot current me having a box around this, so I give me forgive them way. Because me tell myself, say, the apartment me live in, the balcony too high, so me not gonna use them. Me gonna give them all curtain them and get other curtain, and me still have other curtain when me can use same way. When you come talk about so not tired of curtain and not tired of this. Man, them tired of no blood that sell pussy. We no need to stop sell. The man them tired of no big stinking AIDS hole. We no need to stop sell. The people them tired of on social media bring down blood clot people. Let's talk about that, because you tired of my blood clot dress. And come take a look in at my blood clot house and my closet. Because me no short a close big pussy dirty nasty girl. On no germs with dirty big pussy AIDS nasty stretch out old girl. Dirty nabead girl. Me tired of uno. Uno need a life, brother. Uno need a life. I come blood clot size up. You can't tell me what the blood clot for wear. And off having a my blood clot out. Look for clothes in a bag. Look for clothes in a bag where I come out of my drawer. Look for new clothes where I come out of drawer. Look for new clothes in a bag. Same way clothes when I never wear clothes that can't even fit me yet. Look for new clothes. Look for new clothes when I never wear. I probably have to go blood clot. Come, let's talk. Because I'm on alpha. Let's not forget that I'm a blood clot store owner. Because I don't feel like saying no something about me. Look for new clothes in a bag when I never blood clot wear it. Look for new clothes. Look for new clothes with tag them on there. And I come every day. I come size up with somebody. We are live better than Uno. We are live better than Uno. Look on new dress, I never wear it. And my ex-girlfriend buy that dress like me. I never wear it yet. She pay me $200 for it back then. And I never wear it yet. Months of blood clot, new clothes. Me have on clothes that I hardly wear. See one dress out, I pay $300 for. I never wear yet. See all purse yeah, when me never wear yet. Shoes when me never wear yet. Or no want to come over here, come tell me, say no tired of blood clot. This go suck on no mother and come off of my bumper ass clot page. No walk is no blood clot. No, and nobody make no fuck and no blood clot collect money. And nobody make no fuck and hungry no blood clot. Move on a dirty blood clot from there. From there. You know, I live like a blood clot dog and cup yourself with me, brother. All this, me never wear it yet. My buy pan patch from beef, me never blood clot wear it. Me no short a clothes, bitch. Don't fuck on yourself with me no short a clothes and boat. And that me a blood clot telling you. You understand? Look for my shoes, them. Look for my blood clot shoes, them. Look here. Me have Gucci shoes there, so. Me have Fashion Nova boat, this never blood clot wear yet. See, they're clean blood clot shoes. This see me clot, so me pay 30 grand feet blood clot and I wrote 2 times weird. Don't fuck on yourself with me and clothes. Me no short of nothing at all. So don't come on my page, come talk about I'm not tired of my dress and I'm not tired of my blood clot curtain. Me no short of nothing. You understand? Some only they even live no blood clot way. You understand? We live in a small catch up place. We want clean and no come on internet every day. Come bring down blood clot people. But them things where them have and work hard for. Like say me for stop wear my clothes, so please you know where watch me every blood clot day. Just because you don't want to bring me down, I feel like saying I bring me down. You don't see yourself when I bring down. You don't see that? Every day you get up and worry about a blood clot which we are elevating in life every day. Every day you get up and bring me down. Because you don't feel like say. You don't feel like say. Black that person here. You don't feel like say it's cute. Every day you get up. You don't bitter. You don't bitter. You don't bitter bad. Jamaican woman you don't low. You don't low in her life. You don't sad. You don't sad and then one time people bring you down back here say people wicked and people are bully. I can't wait for one to see me in real life. He said something to me so I can't take my knife and shoot me on the blood clot gut and kill no bumbo clot. You think me not kill no? You think me not shoot me knife right in my blood clot face? You not too provoking, brother. Me not like blood clot people fuck around people. Like that me I tell you, not too provoking and blood clot bad mind. I live somewhere. Let's talk about that. I live somewhere and I'm wearing clothes. When me and my curtain when me spend my money and buy. When you come tell me about us, you tell them, curtain them and tell them. Go move on a dirty blood clot from there. You know, walk this no bumbo clot. You walk this sit a girl, them come across to Jamaica, them come from. You know, sit my blood clot stomach. I don't like you know. About curtain. You're tired of curtain and you're tired of this. Go God doctor with a stinking pussy. Walk this bumbuckler set a girl. Turn on my AC because I'm getting hot. Video no company and no can start me and watch me like say me make no pussy na sell. And me make no can't sell no pussy, you know. And me make no can't go Western Union and feel nice. Brother, and me make no hungry. And me make no man na feature, you know. Every day you find some way to bring me down on social media. Brother, me no shot at nothing at all. Man say me go Western Union every blood clot week. Me no shot at nothing a blood clot at all. Me no shot at shit in a life. And that me want to understand. When you come on this internet every day for 1 minute, it's going to tear down blood clot. Me one time I talk, you don't want me to talk. Me no blood clot beating stick. And anyone I want to get feel like someone can see me in real life and say something to me, I take me knife and shove way down in the blood clot neck. I straight. Me no care if me a go jail, brother. I'm not too blood clot provoking. Oh, if you get up every day and text it upon a woman where I live better than you. Because half of you know me still don't stay good and I don't ask Christ you don't look good. Half of you know me still stay bad. You don't look bad, you don't look stink, you don't look like you don't want bed, you don't look like you don't pussy stink. You don't look like say you don't hungry, and you don't pick them when you post look hungry too. That is how bad it is. When the children them look bad, everybody when they on the page look bad. And then when time you do come tear down people. You don't come tear down people. How you do it? How? You're tired of my dress. Look how much blood clot dress me having in a plastic bag. Look how much dress me having at my house. Look how much dress me have here. Suppose I like this dress. Suppose this is just my other gold dress. You go come and tell me, say, you're tired of this or you're tired of that. Like say me have also please blood clot. You girl to all your stink, you can't even step foot in my blood clot apartment. To all your stink and dirty in a blood clot. Eh? To all your stink. Moderator back them dirty pussy girl where they put me live at talk about me always of course black them cause you know see when time they pan a bumper where you motivate young women and uplift people. You don't see that brother. You don't always see when time you talk about people that bring down blood clot me because I alone to make 10 blood clot video about me and 20 video and a friend them to make video about me and bring me down and me no for send on all cause me I want me a beat the stick go suck on them and stop bomber clot follow me up. And not my fault to no pussy now said and not my fault to no pity them ugly and not my fault to no pity them stay bad no blood clot and I live in a dirty blood clot house. Me never trouble no always trouble me. Let's talk about that. Because I'm not trouble none of you. And I don't make it to no duty for every day on come on social media to come bring me down and then go and like say me a look problem with you and me always because I'm always there for my life. I'm peaceful. Always. Every day I get up and call me name for clickbait and post me and bring me down because I feel like it's entertaining. But I one blood clot thing me I tell you. See anyone I want to see me on the streets and fuck with me I go get some blood clot licking on the face. And the face I go bust up, brother. You hear that? Because you don't feel like, say, this is a game. I don't feel like this is funny. Right? It's funny. And you can say what you want to say to people. See me in a real life and say this to me and say I'm fucking up. Yes. Don't tell me when to bring up Pitney. Go suck on the children, them and no blood clot call me name, brother. Me not loyalty to no ugly Pitney them. Don't blood clot fuck with me. When they bring me down damn blood clot night. Every fucking day. I'm in trouble now. Don't fuck with me, brother. Don't make me turn Griselda Blanco on the blood clot. Me not have no sympathy for no ugly blood clot pitney them. So fuck with people. If you don't like somebody, it's simple. Don't come on them page. You come on my page, you're tired of me, I'm a one dress. You're tired of me, I'm a curtain. Let's be real. My house is very nice. My house is very nice.